Polare sent me this electronic carrying case for my review, and I'm excited to open it up and check it out for the first time. I read that it is real leather, so before I even open it, you know that fantastic, beautiful leather smell? Walter, smell it. Oh, it smells delicious. And man, delicious. I don't know. There's something about leather that just smells so good. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. So at first glance for me, this looks like a stunning men's toiletry bag, but they are calling this, as I said, your electronic carrying case. I bet it could be used for both, but let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. So we've got this first front zipper here. So I do kind of get why they're calling it the electronic case. I mean, it's a great spot to be putting all like your cables, your cords, all of your different batteries and so on and so forth inside here. So this one I believe is the smaller pocket right here. And then I can already tell this one's going to be the nice bigger one back here. Oh, look at this. Okay, so we've even got a strap right here. So you've got your wrist strap, and then inside here you've got your mesh pockets. So you've got two mesh pockets, and then you have another one of these pockets full length on this side, and then plenty of space here. This can actually be pushed down. You even have a little spot here to hold a pen, which is always so nice because you know what, when you're digging around for that pen, just being able to have this and being able to slide it out quick and go is fantastic. So I definitely think you could be using this as a toiletry bag as well, but that is completely up to you. I just can't get over how beautiful this is. It's so nice, so smooth, like genuine leather, very, very spacious. So it doesn't matter what you're going to be using this for, you will be able to fit everything that you need to in here. And in general, they have such fantastic products for all of your travel needs.